Hello Bird by Leslie Falconer, illustrated by Kelly Nagoski. Hello Bird. Hello Bird, why are you so still? Tickle the robin's red breast, then turn the page and look in the nest. Little blue eggs, are they new? How many? 1, 2. Hello, bird. How many are inside? Knock on the coop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then turn the page to see some more. More chickens come out to feed. Try to peck the yellow seed. Hello, bird. Where did you go? Pat, pat, pat with your hand, the smallest footprint in the sand. Hello, sandpiper. Now I see. You're in the grass, hiding from me. Hello, bird. What makes you scared? Stomp, stomp, stomp on the ground. Shake the book with a thundering sound. Oh, a storm! But you're not shy. Try to count the peacock's eyes. Hello, bird. Where do you fly? Turn the pages back to 1, then forward to the shining sun. Forward, backward, up and down, the hummingbird zips round and round. Hello, bird. Who are you? Knock on the tree, not too loud, quietly. Snowy owl, you're camouflaged from sight. Hide this book behind something white. Hello, birds. Who likes the cold? Tap the bluebird with your elbow and the redbird with your toe. Then turn the page to see who's standing in the snow. A cardinal loves the cold, I'm told. Can you count the snowflakes up to 10? Then start the book and read again. More words on birds. The peacock is a male. The peahen is a female. Baby peafowl are called peachicks. Sandpipers can live to be up to 12 years old. They have long legs that help them run. The snowy owl has 3 eyelids, 1 for blinking, 1 for sleeping, and 1 for keeping the eye clean and healthy. The chicken is the closest living relative of the T-Rex. Hummingbirds can fly in many directions, including backwards. An American robin's eggs are about the size of a quarter and are light blue. And the northern cardinal can adapt to many climates and doesn't migrate, so you can spot them in the winter.